chaos inside my mind, too many worries in my head. But Jah was working in the silence, even when I couldn't see. Every storm I thought would break me was shaping who I'd be. Through the fire, Jah guide me. Through the storm, Jah lead my soul. When the road was getting heavy, Jah never let me fall. Through the fire, Jah guide me. Even when my faith felt small, now I stand and give my praises. Jah was there through it all. Some nights I questioned everything, wondering why the pain must stay. But every trial had a lesson, lighting up another way. Jah teach me patience slowly, through the struggles I endured. Now I see those very battles were the doors to something pure. Through the fire, Jah guide me. Through the valley and the climb, every scar became a story, showing me His perfect time. Through the fire, Jah guide me. When the world felt cold and small, now I know the darkest moment were the blessings after all. Oh, yeah. When the road gets rough and narrow, and the mountain feels too tall, I remember every battle where Jah caught me when I fall. Yeah. Every tear became a river, every doubt became a sign. Jah was writing something greater through the chapters of my life. Looking back, I see the meaning hidden in the hardest days. Every loss became direction, every struggle shaped my way. Now the fire that once burned me turned into a guiding flame, and the storms that tried to shake me only strengthened Jah's name. Yeah, through the fire, Jah guide me. Through the storm, Jah lead my soul. Every step became a blessing, every loss became a goal. Through the fire, Jah guide me. Now my heart can clearly see the trials that once felt like burdens were Jah shaping destiny.